in the first meeting. Jaren going for 24 points and 10 boards. Drop off Ayton, and he missed the dunk.
Well, they knew that they were going to struggle offensively somewhat because of the players that are missing. The Grizzlies have to force them to continue to struggle.
Landale, an open three, puts it in. Jock Landale, former San Antonio Spur, averaging 6.5 points per game.
Don't pick up the ticky-tack ones early.
Chris Paul with the dump off. Landale, and Landale has all 5 Phoenix points. Can't get it to Biyombo. Landale back in the game. Biyombo, a turnaround hook off the back iron. Back tap rebound. Ends up in the hands of Biyombo.
Coming on, can they get the stops, though? On the defensive side, so that the pace of this game can pick up some.
Landale for 3.
The Grizzlies get a chance to exercise some demons when they go to Toronto. Number one, figure out a way to win on the road, which was such a huge part of why the Grizzlies were able to win in Phoenix.
Wainwright missing the reverse. Landale taps out the rebound. Washington for 3. Air balls.